Lesson planning is supposed to be a routine for a young teacher. It can be stressful, especially if you don't know exactly how you should design it effectively. But once you understand the basics, you will find lesson planning relaxing and genuinely useful when organizing your work. This is the first video from a series of videos dedicated to this topic, so stay tuned. When planning lessons, a lot of possible scenarios open up before your eyes. Depending on the teaching point of your lesson, there will be various options and strategies that you can use. Planning a lesson could be compared to a travel adventure, where the teacher together with the students hit the road. The teacher knows the route generally, but there is still place for unpredictable obstacles, bumpy roads, U-turns, traffic jams, figuratively speaking, of course. Though a teacher can control and predict everything, having a plan in mind and on paper will definitely help take the best decisions and reach the final destination on the map in time. So, before designing the plan, you need to ask yourself a question. What do you teach? Or what is the teaching point of your lesson? Depending on your answer, you will follow a certain route or another. You can teach two possible categories: language areas or skills, or both. But what exactly are these? Language areas refer to what we know about language, while skills refer to what we can do with language. Now, the next natural question is, what is it that we know about language, and what can we do with language? What we know about language is pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, function, and discourse. What we can do with language is reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Now, to wrap things up, we can conclude that there are three main types of lessons that will follow a slightly different route. Lessons that will focus on skills, lessons that will focus on language, grammar, and vocabulary, for example, and lessons that integrate skills and language, which is also the most popular type of lesson.